Welcome back to the channel, guys. So today I'm just going to do a Canva for mobile app tutorial for beginners. Not many people know how to use Canva on their mobile phone, so today I'm going to be putting you guys through. So if you're interested in that, keep watching. On your phone, you have to download it from the Play Store, iPhone or Google. Then when you have it on your phone, you click on it to open it up. So this actually is the Canva home page. So now that we're on the Canva homepage, this is what it looks like on your mobile phone. So let's find our way around. If you click on the three lines at the top left, this menu pops up. Under this menu sidebar, you are going to find, this is where you actually find the apps in Canva and some other things. You can see you have your app. This is where you have your brand kit, and you can also find your projects in here. Also, you can find templates in here, and this is where you have your settings. Your trash can also is here. So this is where you find all these things in case you are new to Canva. And this is where you can also create a team in case you're not the only one working with your Canva account. So let's say you click on apps, because out of all these things, they're the most popular. So when you click on apps, you get to see all the apps that are available in Canva that you can use to work on your designs. So let's click on apps and see what will come up. So this sidebar pops out, so you can see all the apps that you can use to work on your design in Canva. So you go ahead and choose any one that you want. You can even see some of the apps that are recommended, things like mock-ups, things like content planner and all that. So this is where you find them at the sidebar. So now we have gone back to the Canva homepage. So if you look at the very top of the page, that is where you have your search bar. In case you are looking for anything in Canva, that is where you are going to type in what you are looking for. Then just beneath it, in these circles, you have different types of templates. You can see we have social media templates, video templates, we have presentation. So as you scroll, you see different types of templates. Then just below it, then Canva also recommends things that you might want to try, different templates for all the things, practically everything that you can design or create in Canva: banners, photo collage, flyers, YouTube banners, YouTube videos, and all that. So just below that, that is where you have your recent designs that you are currently working on. They are usually arranged according to date. So that is what you get below the templates. Then below that also, you now get to see the actual templates of all those things that were listed at the top: mobile videos, Instagram stories, YouTube thumbnails, YouTube videos, and all whatnot. You get to see the actual thumbnails. If you click on see all, then you get to see all the different templates that are available. So basically, this is what the Canva homepage looks like on your mobile phone. So let us come back to the search bar, which I mentioned earlier at the very top. So when you click on it, this page pops up. Then you can go ahead to type whatever it is you are looking for in Canva. So let's say you want to design a YouTube, let's say YouTube banner. So you type it in. And when you type it in, you press search, and then you can see what comes up. So you can see what comes up. YouTube banner. So you click on it and then the templates actually come up. So the search bar is for searching for anything that you want in Canva, either templates or among your projects. Canva will bring it up for you. So that's how to use the search bar on your mobile phone. So when you click on search, you can see different YouTube banner templates come up. So you have a choice to choose any one that you like and begin to customize it. But you can also work with a blank canvas. You can see the first option, the box with a plus sign, is a blank canvas. You can choose the blank canvas and begin to customize it by adding elements, or you scroll down to choose a template that catches your fancy. And if you look at the top, you can see the templates are actually grouped, so you can specify the type that you want. So let's say, for example, you click on that plus, the one with the plus, and that is the blank canvas. This is what will appear. This rectangle is your canvas. Okay, let's say we chose a template. So this is what will appear on your canvas. The template you chose will appear on your canvas. So each element you click on, everything on this canvas is called an element. This picture is an element, the text is an element, the background, and then all of them, you can click on each and every one of them individually and begin to customize. So whenever I click on them, you have different options. You can see whenever I click on them, this dustbin sign with the three dots will appear. You can either delete the element and add your own, or you click on the three dots to see what you can do with the element. And you will notice that each time you click on any element, this menu bar will appear at the bottom of your phone screen. Those are the options that you can use to customize the elements. You can see you have the option to crop, to rotate, to change the transparency, to change the color, to change the fonts if it is text that you are working on. You also have the option to delete or to replace. So that menu bar at the bottom, it will be at the bottom of your phone screen, is basically to help you to customize the template whichever way you will. So if you want that menu bar to appear, all what you have to do is just to click on any element, and then the element will be selected, and you go ahead to customize it whichever way you want. So that's using Canva for mobile is not really that hard. You just have to get used to it. You can see I've clicked on this text, Samuel Watterson. You can see it's selected. Then this one appears at the top. I can delete it. I can customize it. I can replace it. It all depends on me. I don't know if you noticed the three lines at the top left. Remember, we saw three lines at the top left in the home page. But when you are on your canvas, the three lines, when you click on it, this sidebar pops out. You can see a whole new set of things are inside. They are different from the one we saw earlier. So when you click on your sidebar while in your on your canvas, this is what pops up. So when you click on create a design, you can see all the different designs that you can make pop up, different things, Instagram story, all whatnot, Twitter, social media, YouTube. Then you can click on the one you like and begin to design. Also, if you click on custom size at the top, this is where you have the opportunity to choose a particular size for your creation. In case you are a professional, in case you are a graphic designer, normally you have to work with a particular size. You have to produce your documents in a particular size. So when you print it, it will come out well. So this is where you get to choose your size, and whatever size you type in there, Canva will produce it for you. And you have the option to choose your sizes in pixels, inches, in centimeters and millimeters. So Canva has that option. So when you type in your size, Canva will bring out a canvas in that size for you. So you can see when you choose your size, then you create a design. You can see the options: pixels, inches, millimeters, and centimeters. So Canva is a very versatile app that allows you to do quite a lot. So you can see in this pop-up, as I said before, create design, or you choose your custom size. And if you want this pop-out menu to pop back in, just click on the side of the screen that is a bit darker and to just clear, so you have space to continue what you were doing. So guys, this is basically an introduction to Canva mobile, specifically the Canva homepage. That is finding your way around. If there's anything specific that you would like to learn how to do with the Canva app on your phone, please write it in the comments and I'll be sure to do a tutorial on that. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye.